Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we will continue creating financial model of a hotel from scratch. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch for your business idea. Today we'll be creating a cash flow statement for our financial model. This is one of the most important blocks of a financial model of any business project. Let's create it and see what it looks like. I will take timeline from here. What is important about cash flow statement is that it is 100% or 99% automatic statement. You don't have to put any data inside cash flow. You just gather all the information from the model above that you've created already inside this statement. So you don't put manually revenues inside cash flow statement. You don't put manually the numbers of expenses or different costs, investments inside cash flow statement. So all this is completely automatic statement. So always remember about that. So we start with revenues. Start with revenues. The revenue. Then we extrapolate this formula to all of our timeline. Then we take direct costs. We take direct cost from here. Then we extrapolate the formula to our timeline from left to the right. Then we take fixed costs. Then we also extrapolate this formula from left to the right. Then payroll. So we have fixed costs. We will group them. Then we will add a block with taxes. Here we will add some lines for taxes. We will create revenue tax, salary tax, profit tax, asset tax, so for example it will be $2,000 a month. This will be revenue will be 3% from revenue, salary tax will be 8% from salary, and for example it will be 9% from profit. These are the inputs, so we will mark them with specific color of inputs. So here we will create the line for net profit calculation. We will get back to net profit calculation a little bit later. What we will do now, we will just place these taxes here, asset tax, salary tax. We will take information from here. Profit tax we will calculate a little bit later. Asset tax, we will take this payment. And move to our automatic timeline. So here is our chronology block, and here we have operating activity. We will take this line for calculation of asset tax. So when we start operating activity, we start payments of asset tax. Then we have to create the result from operating activity. So we'll take this minus this minus this minus this and minus taxes. Then we go to investment stage. Then we calculate the result from investment activity. We take minus sign because investment is a outflow. Then we extrapolate this formula to the rest of our timeline. So here our investment stage. Then we will group this information, this data. And also we will group this. Now we go to financing activity, financial activity. We start with our money that we put inside our business idea. Then we describe when we get the loan. Then we describe the payments of principal. And then we describe the payments of interest. We can use the automatic formula to calculate the amount of equity needed for our business idea. I will show you how you can do it manually or how you can calculate it using formulas, make it automatic calculation of the amount of financing needed for your business idea. This will be the topic of the next videos. Loan we take from here, then principal payments we take from here, interest we go here, then we extrapolate this formula to the right. So result from financing activity so this will be our money from the pocket plus loan minus principal minus interest. And now it's time for us to calculate the net profit. What we will do now, we will take this minus this minus this, this minus this minus this minus asset tax minus principal minus interest. Then we will create the formula for profit tax. Then we will extrapolate this formula. Then we describe cash balance at the beginning of the period. and then cash balance at the end of the period. So this will be 0. Then cash balance at the end of the period will be this plus this plus this plus this. Then this number goes here to the next month. Then we go here. Then we just extrapolate these two formulas to the rest of our timeline. And now we have our cash flow statement ready. Now it's time for us to calculate the amount of financing that we need to start our hotel business idea. So this will be the topic of the next hour video. If you find this video useful, you may give us a like. Also, you may subscribe to our channel, you may share this video with your friends. You can order a financial model from scratch for your specific business idea, and we will create a specific unique financial model for your business idea. See you next videos. Thank you and bye.